Hello guys, it's Fayaz from Spain, Cordoba. Today I'm going to tell you some tips for YouTube, how to make your channel art and how to put social media links on your channel and how can you improve your channel and get more views. So first of all, what is the channel and what is the art and logo and playlist? Look, this area is called channel art. It's background of your channel. First of all, how you get your channel? When you log into your YouTube, when you go and by Google, it's appear like this kind of screen. So if you are logged in, your picture will show up on the top here, and there is my channel button. Is show you your area, your channel. You have to click my channel. Its will screen will change and now your channel will appear. This is your channel and this on the top URL, this is your channel URL. You can copy this and paste on any where you want to share with people. So this is your channel. How to put your logo or your photo, profile photo. When you click on this area, you will see there's one pencil mark. When you click it, and this one will appear edit, and another page will open and you can add. Now this is connected with the Google Plus. You have to make first Google Plus automatically one page for Google Plus where you have to upload photo and it will go to your logo become automatically. So you have to add any photo, it will appear there. So here you can add any logo or your photo. And second, channel art, how you can put a background any you can make professional designing banners of your channel like other people do, like this person, this he made this beautiful banner, and you can write things about your channel if it's about any marketing, designing, or fun art or sport. You can make like this one and upload this. So here on the top you can see another button. When you click it, and there's a two links. Edit links. Links mean the social media buttons. You can add more than 5 6 at a time: Twitter, Google Plus, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. So people will uh, click on the button and they went on your social media. And also there is edit channel art. You can click on it and you will see another window open, and you can select a photo from your computer or you already photo which you uploaded on your Google Plus. They will show up here. You can select anyone, or you can choose from a gallery of which is Google have automatically few sceneries. So if you have designed in your computer is save, you can upload photos and you can select from your computer. This will show up here. So that's easy job, you can do it. So this is the channel area. So you can put background, your logo, and that will be your channel. So you further when you make your videos and when you upload one video, there's some you can have to make playlists. For example, I am uploading one video, for example this one. You choose any video which you want to upload. For example, I am uploading one video like this. Here you can put title, description, tags 4 5 6 which is related to your video, and here is add to playlist. So if you don't have any playlist, just click it and there will be option at the bottom, make a playlist, create a playlist, and you can create. What is the benefit of playlist? It will make a separate folder, one series of all one kind of videos you can put on one playlist. For example, You want to make upload a sports video, you can put in playlist sports. So if somebody play this video, the second, third, fourth video will be appear automatically in suggested area. So you can make a more than 5, 10, 15 playlists, and each playlist you can add the same categories video. Is very important. And the other thing, there's another thing which you can add is custom thumbnail. Thumbnail is the image when people will search in YouTube, the image appear. So there will be a automatic one thumbnail of every video when you upload, it's appear. And another thing is you can create your own one photo on your channel art or one logo, which in every video you can upload and people can see it. Like I made some of them, I can show you on my videos. For example, this one is my thumbnail video picture which I picked from one, and this one also. So when I play video, this image will not include in my video. It's just a thumbnail, people can search and can see this one, but it's not in part of video. So it's called thumbnail. So you must add this if you want to create a one channel of specific niche. For example, sports, technologies, you have to put that thumbnail. Like this one, I made one Instagram video, I put one thumbnail, so people when search in Google or YouTube, they can see this. After this image there is a video, but when I put video, people will not interested in a photo, what is inside the video, like these two videos. So they don't get idea what is the material inside. So by this image they can judge what is inside. So must put one thumbnail in your videos. So this is the just basics. If you need more tips, just can subscribe my channel by clicking on my channel button which is on every video, and you can write me message on bottom of this video, and I will be happy to give you my suggestion. I have got 1000 subscriber. I just recently last 7-8 months started to using my YouTube. Before I not active user, so this number is just for last 4-5 months. I got a lot of increasement in these numbers. I hope this video will help you. Thank you very much. I will see you next and soon. Bye.